Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a custom chart. As you all must have seen, a lot of charts are already available in this portion in insert ribbon, but we are going to make a chart which is going to show percentage as a blocks. So I can name it as a block chart. So for that I'm going to use some of the features of Excel like conditional formatting, copy, paste as picture. These kind of options I'm going to use. So let's start with the demonstration. So first I'm going to create two sheets. One I'm going to name it as calculation, and second I'm going to name it as dashboard. So first I need to do some calculation over here, or first let's use the dashboard. Here I'm going to write that let's take an example. We have some percentage. We have taken out some percentage and I want to show that percentage in dashboard. So first I'll just select these D and E column and two rows. I'll go on home and I click on merge across. I'll keep the center. I'll type over here percentage. Let's select both of these. And right now I'm manually putting a percentage like 87%. Now let's start the calculation. So first of all, I need to select 10 columns. So I'll select 10 columns from here. I right click on it and it will change the column width, because right now these column and row intersection, that is cell, is in like it shows like a rectangle. I have to make a square. So I'll just click on column width and I change the default column width to 2.1. So now it looks like it's a square. Now I'll select 10 columns and 10 rows. So at this name box, you can see it's written 10R and 10C. Let's add a border. After adding the border, you need to change some alignment and the font option. Like I'll just select the center line, middle align, and we'll change the font size to 5. Now I'll start writing from here. 1% from the bottom, 2%. I'll select and drag. Over here, 11%, 12%. Select both and drag. Now select these two rows and drag it to up. So now we have a full 1% to 100% written in this chart. Now what next is, I'm going to change the font size of this to white. So you can see here the numbers are already been written, but nothing is shown because the font size I changed to white. White is background and white font. Now what next is, I have to put a conditional formatting over here. So I just go on conditional formatting, and over here I'm just going on new row. In this we have format only cells that contain. So I have to mark those blocks over here which is having a percentage which is written in dashboard. So I select this format only cells that contain. Cell value between, I'll give 0%, and part I have to give dash and this percent. Now next is I need to format it. So let's format. You have to make the font color. So I'm just taking font color as orange SN2. So the same color which you are taking for font, you have to take for fill also the same color. Here also I'm going to take accent orange accent 2. I just click on border and we'll click on outline. Now just click on OK. So this is a preview how it is going to be look like. Okay. So finally you can see here it's written 87 and 87 blocks are here filled. If I change this to 22%, you will see 22 blocks are filled. But how to make this a chart? So for that, what I'll do, I'll select all these all these rows and column, and I just copy. And we have a very useful option in paste, home ribbon paste, home tab paste. In this, we have paste as linked picture. What this linked picture is going to do, it is going to link with it. Now, if I need to move this to somewhere in some different sheets, first I have to make the link of it as an absolute link. Because it is relating right now, I have to make an absolute one. So for that, I have to define a sheet name. So sheet name is calc, an exclamation for completing the sheet name reference. Enter. Now you can see at the background, there was some font. It's showing like it's looking there, some fonts are there. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just change the picture style to this reflected bevel black. Now it's look like a perfect one. I can copy or cut this and we'll put it in the dashboard below this. Now this is how we can create our own custom chart. Now if I change the values over here, I make it 78%, you can see it's filling 78%. If I make it 45%, it's filling 45%. So that's how we have to create this. So thank you for watching this video.